If the mean of 6, 4, 7, P and 10 is 8, find the value of P. So my observations here are, there is 6, 4, 7, P and 10. The first step, I do the sum of the observations. And sum of the observation will be 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus P plus 10. And when you add them, you will get 27 plus P. In the next step, I have to find the number of observations. And the number of observations are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. We have 5 observations. So we find mean. Formula for mean, sum of all observations, divide by number of observations. So we know the mean is given as 8. Here we have the mean is 8. So 8 equal to the sum is 27 plus P. Number of observations is 5. So when we cross multiply, we get 8 into 5 equal to 27 plus P. So 40 equal to 27 plus P. P equal to 40 minus 27. So P equal to 13. The mean of 40 observation was 160. So let's write that. So mean equal to 160. Number of observations equal to 40. So we know the formula for mean. Mean equal to sum over number of observations. So here we have 40. We do not know the sum, but the number of observations is 40. Here mean is 160, not 40. Number of observations is 40. So the sum will be 160 into 40. And that is 6400 equal to the sum. But however, there's been a mistake. There was rechecking. There was a mistake. So this is the incorrect sum. So we have incorrect sum equal to 6400. Now we need to correct it. So the correct sum equal to 6400. Here we will have to subtract the wrong reading and add the right reading. So it will say it was detected on rechecking that 165 was wrongly copied as 125. So 165 was a right reading. It has to be added. It was copied as 125. So minus 125. This would be your correct sum. So this works out as 6440. So now for the new mean or the correct mean will be the correct sum over number of observations. So correct is 6440. The number of observations are 40. So the answer here, correct mean is 161. The mean of 100 items was found to be 30. So mean equal to 30. Number of observations equal to 100. And we know the formula that mean equal to sum over number of observations. Let's put the values. So we will now have mean is 30, sum we do not know, number of observations is 100. So 30 into 100 equal to sum. But if you read further, you see the sum was not right. There was, at the time of calculation, the items were wrongly written. So this 3000 that we have is not the correct sum, it is the incorrect sum. So now we have to correct the sum. So the incorrect sum is 3000. Now to do the correct sum, to correct the sum, we write the incorrect sum and then we add what is right, we subtract what is wrong. So we add what is right and what is wrong we subtract. So here they say, if at a time of calculation two items were wrongly written as 32 and 12, so 32 and 12 were the wrong one, so we need to subtract them. 32 plus 12 has to be subtracted instead of 23 and 11. So 23 plus 11 have to be added. So the right ones have to be added, the wrong ones have to be subtracted. So now this becomes 3000 and you'll add here 34 minus 44. So that works out 2990 and this is the correct sum. After we do the correct sum, let's do the correct mean. The correct mean will be correct sum over number of observations. So correct sum 2990. Number of observations here is 100. So your answer is 29.9. The mean monthly salary of 10 members of a group is 1445. So let's write down the mean is 1445, number of members equal to 10. So we have the mean equal to sum of 10 salaries divide by number of members. So the mean we know is 1445 equal to sum over number of members is 10. So 1445 into 10 equal to sum 14450 equal to sum. Now this is sum of 10 salaries. Now the next part of the sum says one more member whose salary was 1500 has joined. So now we add 14450, that is of 10 members, and we add 1500. Now we will get sum of 11. Sum of 11 members, which is 15950, is sum of 11 members. Now to find the mean, we'll have mean equal to sum of 11 members over number of observations. So sum of 11 members is 15950 over 11. So the new mean equal to 1450. This is mean of 11. The mean of 10 numbers is 20. So mean equal to 20 number of observations here is 10. So we'll find the sum. You know the formula for mean, equal to sum over number of observations. So mean is 20, sum we do not know, number of observations is 10. So 20 into 10 equal to sum. So 200 equal to sum. And the next part of the sum, they say 5 is subtracted from every number. So now we will get a new sum. New sum will be 200, the old sum, and from this they subtract 5 from every number. So there are 10 numbers. So minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, 10 times. So 10 into 5 is subtracted. From each number, 5 is subtracted. So from 200, just to explain this part, from 200 you will do minus 5, 10 times from each number. It go like this 10 times. So it will be 200 minus 5 into 10, or you can say 200 minus 10 into 5. So that will be 200 minus 50, which is 150. That is a new sum. So the new mean will be new sum over number of observations. 150 over number of observations here is 10, and the new mean will be 15. The mean of 16 numbers is 8. So mean is 8 and number of observation is 16. So we now put the formula. We have mean equal to sum over number of observations, and the mean is 8. This is sum, number of observations 16. So 8 into 16 equal to sum, which is 128 equal to sum. Now after this they do some changes and they say 2 is added to every number. So we'll get a new sum. The new sum will be 128 and 2 is added to every number. There are 16 numbers. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 16 times. So 128 plus 32 will be the new sum, which is 160. So new mean equal to new sum over number of observations. So new sum is 160 over number of observations is 16. So the answer is 10. The mean of 5 numbers is 18. So mean equal to 18. Number of observations equal to 5. So we know the mean and number of observations. We can find the sum. So mean equal to sum over number of observations. So mean here we have 18 equal to sum over number of observations 5. So 18 into 5 equal to sum. That is 90 equal to sum. Now this is sum of 5 numbers. Now the next part says if one number is excluded. So number of observations now. one number is excluded, so number of observations will no longer be 5, will be 4. The mean becomes 16. So mean equal to 16. So let the number excluded be x. Be equal to x, right? So the new sum will be the old sum, that is 90, and one number is removed, x is removed, minus x. So mean equal to sum over number of observations. The new mean is 16, so 16 equal to, and the sum we see is 90 minus x over number of observations is 4. So we do 16 into 4 equal to 90 minus x. So 64 equal to 90 minus x. 64 minus 90 equal to minus x, minus 26 minus x. So x equal to 26. So excluded number is 26. If the mean of 5 observations is 11, find the mean of the first 3 observations. So here our observations are, there is x, then there is x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and x plus 8. So their sum of the observations will be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and x plus 8. So you'll have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So you'll do 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6, 6 and 6 would be 12, 12 plus 8 would be 20. So this is 20. This is the sum. Now the mean is given as 11. So mean equal to 11. So mean equal to sum over number of observations. That means 11 equal to 5x plus 20, and number of observations are 5, so over 5. So 11 equal to 5, common out, x plus 4 over 5, this cancels. 11 equal to x plus 4, so x equal to 11 minus 4, so your x equal to 7. In the next step, they are asking us to find the mean of the first 3 observations. So which are the first 3 observations? X, x plus 2 and x plus 4, x plus 2 and x plus 4. The first 3 observations. X is 7, then this is 7 plus 2, that is 9, and 7 plus 4, which is 11. So now we've got to find the mean of 7, 9 and 11. So first we find the sum of 7 plus 9 plus 11, which is equal to 27. Number of observations is 3. So our mean equal to sum over number of observations. So it is 27 over 3. The mean of the first 3 will be 9. The mean of 5 numbers is 27. So mean equal to 27. Number of observations is 5. So we know mean equal to sum over number of observations. So mean is 27. Sum we do not know. Number of observations is 5. So 27 into 5 equal to sum. That is 135 equal to sum. And the next part, they say if one number is excluded. Now if one number is excluded, which means the number of observations are now going to be 4. One number is removed, equal to 4, and the sum will be the old sum, that is 135, and one number is excluded, minus x, where x is the excluded number. And the new mean now becomes 25. So new mean equal to 25. So mean equal to sum over number of observations. Mean is 25, sum 135 minus x over number of observations 4. So 25 into 4 equal to 135 minus x. 100 equal to 135 minus x. So when you subtract it with minus 35 equal to minus x, x equal to 35. So the excluded number is 35. The mean weight per student in a group of 7 students is 55. So mean equal to 55. Number of students equal to 7. So we know the mean and number of students. Let us find the sum. The formula for mean equal to sum over number of observations. So we have mean is 55, sum of 7 students, and 7 is number of observations. So 55 into 7 equal to sum of weights of 7 students. 385 is the sum of 7 students. In the next part, they said the individual weights of 6 students are given here. So find the 7 students. So let the weight of 7 students of the 7th student be x. So I can say now 52 plus 54 plus 53, these are the 6 students. 56 plus 54 plus x of 7 students will be equal to 385. Here we've got 385, 7 students. So then we've got to find the value of x. So we now have to find the value of x. So here we'll get 324 plus x equal to 385. So x is 385 minus 324. And that works to be 61 kgs. So the 7th student weight was 61 kgs. Just repeat the sum. First, 6 students were given to us, plus the 7th student was x, which was equal to 385. These 6 students, they gave us the weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students, the weight was given. The mean of 5 numbers is 18. So we have mean 18, number of observations equal to 5. So we find we know mean equal to sum over number of observations, and the mean is 18. The sum we do not know, and the number of observations is 5. So 18 into 5 equal to sum, which is 90 equal to sum. This is of 5 observations. Now they said if one number is excluded, So if one number is excluded, so how many numbers do we have now? So number of observations will be 4 since one number is excluded, and now the sum also will be old sum 90 minus x, because x is excluded number, and this new mean they say is 16. So again we use the formula mean equal to sum over number of observations. So 16 equal to 90 minus x over 4. So now this will be 16 into 4 equal to 90 minus x. 16 into 4 is 64 minus x. So minus x is 64 minus 90 minus 36 equal to x. So x equal to 36. So the excluded number is 36. The mean of 200 items was 50. So mean 50, number of items equal to 200. So we find the sum. We know mean equal to sum over number of observations. So mean is 50 equal to sum, we do not know the sum, number of observations 200. So 50 into 200 equal to sum. So that is 10,000 equal to sum. But later we see here it was misread as 92, so there was a mistake in this, right? So this is incorrect. This is incorrect sum. The incorrect sum was 10,000. Now we need to correct the sum. Correct sum. To do correct sum, we have to take the old sum, the incorrect sum, add what is right, subtract what is wrong. So add what is right, subtract what is wrong. So it's given the two items were misread as 92 and 8. So these were the wrong ones. Misread. So this have to be subtracted instead of 192 and 88. So this 192 plus 88 have to be added because they are the right ones. So again the correct sum will be 10,000 plus the correct readings, which is 280, and you subtract 100, which are the wrong reading, the sum of the wrong, this 92 plus 8, and this would be now 9928. This is a correct sum, and the correct mean equal to sum, correct sum over number of observations. The correct sum 9928 over 200, number of observations 200. Here's the mistakes, and this is 280, not just 28. This is 280. So this total comes wrong. This total will be 10180. So this again comes wrong. So this would be 10180 over number of observations 200, and the correct mean then comes 50.9.